Whether you're a teacher tracking student attendance or a manager monitoring team's presence, an Excel attendance tracker can help you stay organized. In this video, I'll show you how to create an attendance tracker in just 2 simple steps. Let's get started. For example, here we have a list of students and we need to track who attends class each day. Instead of just entering a boring X in each cell, we can create a simple 2-step attendance tracker. The first step is to insert checkboxes into each date cell by selecting all the cells, navigating to the Insert tab, and selecting the checkbox command. With our checkboxes in place, the second step is to add a simple conditional formatting rule to highlight who attended each day green. To do this, go back to the Home tab, open the conditional formatting dropdown, hover over Highlight Cell Rules, and select Equal to. Next, we just need to enter the value of the cells we want to format in the Format Cells that are equal to box. In this case, we want to format the checkboxes, so I'm going to enter True and then select Green Fill with dark green text as the formatting. Press OK to save the rule, and now when you check off each checkbox, the cell will automatically be highlighted green. If you wanted to take this one step further, you could add another conditional formatting rule to highlight who did not attend each day red by selecting the checkboxes, opening the conditional formatting dropdown again, opening Highlight Cell Rules, selecting Equal to, and this time entering false to format the unchecked checkboxes, and select light red fill with dark red text formatting. Press OK, and now we can really tell who attended and who no-showed each day. There you have it, a simple but effective attendance tracker in Excel in just 2 simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tracker tutorials.